Hey, today we're going to be showing you guys the Winchester wooden folding knife. Alright, this knife really disappointed me. I'm going to start off by saying that just alone. It being Winchester, I was definitely expecting something really, really good, really high quality, and just a really nice blade overall. This knife is a folding knife. This is just the sheath it comes with. It's folded up inside and it's just supposed to be worn on the belt. I guess this little nylon strap is supposed to be the excuse of what gets worn on your belt. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here and just give you guys a look at it. I'm not even going to pay attention to the sheath because it is a pocket knife. Alright, so here's the knife. Overall, I'm just going to tell you right now before I even open it, the woodwork on this knife is not very impressive. Now I'm going to try to show you guys right here. The wood, where they bolted this right here, is split very badly, and it's actually causing it to crack all the way into here. It's actually cracking to the metal. So they actually bolted this way wrong, and it caused the wood to split, and it's splitting from here all the way up to the metal. In fact, there's almost enough that I can almost pull it and open it up a little bit. And I didn't even get the chance to use this knife yet, and it's already disappointing me in quality. It's got the Winchester logo on it there. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. Now, number one, I'm telling you right now, the way that this opens is very flimsy. It definitely seems like it would accidentally snap back on someone's hand. I'm barely even applying pressure, and it's snapping back. So a good sharp blade on this would actually be more dangerous to the user than it would to anything else. You can see up here there's some marking on this blade, and I didn't even use it once again. I just got it out of the box, just opened it, and there's already marking inside there. I don't know what that's from. This is not a used knife. This is also a Walmart knife, and this is not used. This is straight out of the packaging. And it feels sturdy, but to me, I think that a little bit of wear and tear on this knife is going to leave it much less sturdier than it actually feels. It's got a very nice blade on it, though. The blade on it is very nice. It's very good working on the blade. It's got your notches up here for the release, for pulling it in, pulling it out. The button is very, very hard to press down. I could see this being difficult for anybody to use. And as you see, as you press the button, this pops up here, releasing it. And you kind of got to tug on it a little bit hard until it gets to this point. Once it gets down here, it kind of snaps back on someone's hand. But up here, it's kind of hard to get down there. I do like the size of the handle on it. It does fit my hand perfectly. It does have a very nice handle. Just the craftsmanship on the handle is very good. I really don't like them splitting that there and messing up the handle. Could have been just a simple factory mistake. I'm not in any place to critique it because they certainly make a better knife than I can. Just I don't know if that's gonna affect me later. If that's gonna get worse, I don't know. I'd like to not spend any money on something that I know is gonna progressively get worse. But the overall craftsmanship of the handle is fantastic. I really like the blade. I like the blade size. I really like they sharpened it very well. It's another factory sharpen that did correct. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the basic measurements of it. The cutting edge of this blade, I'd say, is roughly 3 inches. About roughly 3 inches on there as far as the cutting goes. The handle, let's just get the handle and go to overall. The overall length is about 7 inches as well. It might be a little bit more, but it's about 7 inches. For a folding knife, that's fairly good. It's fairly nice size. It seems sturdy. It's just I'm really worried about this button here not lasting because of how stiff it is, and I'm worried about how it's snapping back and gonna hurt someone's hand. But overall, what I recommend this knife. This is again the Winchester wood folder is what it's called. Comes with a sheath. I'm not even going to talk about the sheath because it's just a carry on, just to carry the knife. I mean, it would protect the knife, but that's all it's good for. Would I recommend this knife? Yeah, if you were going camping, you're going hiking, whatever, yeah, I'd recommend it. I wouldn't expect long durability out of it, though. I mean, if you're trying to get a long-term tool, I wouldn't expect it to last long. But if you just need something, yeah, I'd say it'd be worth the purchase.